चला तर मग सगळी तयारी झालेली आहे. इट्स टाइम फॉर द सेकंड क्वालिफायर. It was the Eagle Nashik Titans skipper Prashant Solanki winning the toss and deciding to field first. Eagle Nashik Titans taking on the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. If you talk of the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, it's the off spinner who is back in the playing 11 for them. And if you talk of the Eagle Nashik Titans, there is Neeraj Joshi who's going to play his first match today. So interesting change that. Again, another spinner coming in. Sachin Das has been promoted. He is opening the batting now. Generally, he was batting at number 4 or number 5, along with Ankit Bhavne, who's been prolific. 338 runs this season at a strike rate of 140. Mukesh Chaudhary, 16 wickets for him, economy of 9.4. Yes, the best of 4 for 26. Qualifier of the Maharashtra Premier League 2024. Mukesh Chaudhary to Sachin Das. What a...
और दी विकेट हवा में गिरने यहाँ पर चौका आ सकता है और ये चौका
Sachin Das has been sent to attack and that's exactly what he's doing.
लिए शॉर्ट गेंद पर यहाँ पर शॉर्ट गेंद ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर उसको छोड़ेंगे नहीं अंकित भावने तैयार होते हैं कट करने के लिए। तो जब बल्लेबाजी करते हो और शॉर्ट गेंद डालते हो तो पहले ही बात किया मैंने तो बिल्कुल आपको चौके आएंगी। अक्रॉस खेले यहाँ पर इनसाइड एज मिली है और एक चौका अच्छी ओवर की समाप्ति।
Two in the finals for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. No fielder there. Nicely connected. Ankit Bhavne. That is always a risk with the spinner coming.
लॉन्ग ऑफ सीधे पीछे गया है। ओह हो सचिन दास नेचुरल आर्म डिलीवरी अंदर आती हुई और अभी ये लॉन्ग ऑफ के ऊपर से 6 रन के लिए ये दूसरी
put some pressure down the ground. Ankit Bhavne into the act. Right hander
will be a boundary to finish the power play and a very good making his debut today and he is welcomed to the Maharashtra. Oh, nicely played, just given direction to that ball. It will go to the fence.
to go out and bat.
Oh, it's in the air and that is out. Ranjit Nikam, the fielder there. Sachin Das was looking to clear that infield for the team.
Yeah, really well bowled. Slow through the air. Was looking to go inside, out, over covers. But just the perfect line. 45 of just 29 deliveries. Set the platform. 83 for 1.
The new man in is the man in form, Rahul Tripathi, 372. Will get a 6. He is
In the gap. One bounce and that will crash away into the advertisement.
Kolhapur Tuskers, the skipper to skipper. In the air, chance, fielder, under it and taken. Ranjit Nikam and Prashant Solanki, again that partnership. And this time...
लेग स्टंप ये बढ़िया गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर हो गति में थोड़ी कमी थी वही उसको आउट कर गई जो फ्लाइटेड डील का मारा था अगले वाले ओवर पे। बड़ी विकेट बड़ी मछली जाल में फंसी है। राहुल त्रिपाठी उमदा गेंदबाजी और मात्रे ने पिछले मैच में क्या शॉट्स खेले थे आज की शुरुआत भी वही है बहुत ही बेहतरीन थी। शॉट क्लास अंकित बावने का यहाँ पर।
Full toss, swept, nicely swept by Siddharth Matre. Without any risks taken, 10 runs off that over. Prashant Solanki, gentle off spinners of Kaushal Tambe. That'll be a run and yet another half century for Ankit Bhavne. What a player, what a run getter for of the back foot, nicely placed. Oh, the fielder coming for us. Here's the call, but it will clear the field for Tuskers. Hits it over the bowler. One bounce into the fence. This is what Ankit told. In the air, taken!
Yeah, this is really well bowled. Watch once again. Just running the fingers across the ball, not giving any sort of pace to Siddharth Matre to use your strength. I'm not giving no pace to work. Well played, Siddharth Matre, for his third. Free hit and takes full toll. He was waiting.
Down in this season of the MPL. Let's add 6 more to it. Excellent. Oh, nicely played. He actually wanted it to go to fine leg. He connects this. This is a big one.
Outside off stump. How well has he timed that? How well has he timed that? Not well enough. This is an important wicket in that last over of the innings. It's a big boundary on the offside. That's why Mukesh Chaudhary was looking to use that angle to his advantage. Yogesh Dongre departs for 18. It's 197 for 4. Also, you got Mandar Bhandari, Arshan Kulkarni. Mandar Bhandari got 100 as well. And he picks up another wicket. This is great bowling. This has been a great over for the... And that planned bowling, the Yorkers outside the off stump, working. Just using the angle. Shrikant Munde departs for 1. It's 200 for 5.
Ball. Will they come back for the second? They will. But throw at the wrong end. So 2 runs completed. But what a fantastic last over from Mukesh Chaudhary. Just telling everyone that's the way to execute your plans. Just 5 runs and 2 wickets of it. Eventually, PBG Kolhapur Tuskers have scored.
The first man to get 100, Arshan Kulkarni, is 97. So we've got that sort of batting power. Let's just try and put up a great show tonight. But what an innings by Ankit Babni. 77 of just 47 deliveries. Siddharth Matre.
Up 2 wickets, eventually 4 overs, 10 dot balls, 2 for 35. Read his bowling figures. 202 for the loss of 5 wickets. And that is where Eagle Nashik Titans will have to score 203 to enter the finals of the Maharashtra Premier League.
PBG Kolhapur Tuskers with a brilliant recovery after losing 4 wickets in the power play. Siddharth Matre, the exit of the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, and the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers playing again today. Individually have played some brilliant knocks in the Maharashtra Premier League season. Easy role, taking it easy in the power play, looking to play the long inning. Wickets for him this season at an economy of 9.22, the best of 3 for 41. Some swing, some movement early on. And comes back in. No, wasn't a chance. Taranjit Dhillon took the outside edge. The short third man was placed, but that'll be 4 to end the second over. Susamat continues. Sweet connection by Mandar Bhandari. Goes for it again, and that again is long. Yes, clears the infield and clears the boundary as well. Arshan Kulkarni, sweet. Oh, clean bowled. Was a full toss. It came in. I don't think as
मंदार भंडारी को तारीफ कर रहे थे, उसकी थोड़ी सी इनसाइड एज भी लगी. चौकन्ने हो गए इस कर पैवेलियन में मंदार भंडारी. 36 पर 1. ये बड़ा शॉट हवा में सीधा फील्डर के पास. मिड ऑन पर अर्शिन कुलकर्णी आउट.
Arshan Kulkarni not able to get the elevation. Straight to the fielder. Big Kulkarni dismissed for 15, 36 for 2 ENT. Nicely hit. Yes, that will be a boundary. The bat made such a lovely sound. The moment. Nicely connected. Is it in the gap? The field had long off, doing his best, but won't be able to.
जान दे रहे थे कैच के लिए, जाना चाहिए था उनको पहले से ही, और उसके बाद आखिर में कोशिश की उन्होंने. ये देखो यहाँ पर ये हाथ में ही था. क्या बारी खेली थी इन्होंने. ऑन द मारने की कोशिश थी, सीधा ढिल्लन के हाथ में. ये डाकवे को विकेट लेने की आदत है. और ये डिचक्याओ
We are the Eagle Nashik Titans just losing their third wicket. In comes Atharva Kale.
मिला है सीखने का मौका। आपका अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलना, ये बिल्कुल थोड़ा कॉर्नर से ये फॉलो थ्रू इनका था बल्लेबाज का, वो ऑफ स्टंप पे गिरा। इस 28 रन की अच्छा साथ दिया था साहिल पारेख को।
For 4, 2 new batters. Atharva Kale with the free hit. In the slot, connects well. As Kiran sir, you are mentioning, such mistakes can change the momentum.
स्टंप ऑफ स्टंप पर, और ये शॉट हवा में है बिल्कुल। यहाँ पर गेंद मौका बन सकता है, और फील्डर कहाँ खड़े थे?
He has cleared the fielder. To be. Hits it straight down the ground on the side. Spell. What a shot! An element of helicopter.
Umar Shah's strategy like a book. Moved across to the off stump. Wow! Free flowing arms and picture perfect. Hold that pose. Sailing into the stands. And again! High and handsome by Atharva Kale. And the man says to Ranjit,
Kolhapur Tuskers dugout. That's an opportunity. It's gone up in the air. Fielder not quite able.
to hit the quicker bowlers.
And then he can hit the spinners as well. That's
53 of 20 chasing 202 made it look so easy. And that's it. And the Titans make it to the final. They lost the qualifier 1, but what a way to win the qualifier 2. The Titans won the toss, asked the Tuskers to come out and bat, and they posted a big daunting total on the scoreboard. 202. And to win the qualifier 2,
This is the way that boundary was hit by Ranjit Nikam. And then there were celebrations. And why not? They lost the first qualifier. Then playing the second qualifier, a challenge of 203 to chase down. They accepted that challenge. The third highest target chased down in Maharashtra Premier League. And we have seen for the third occasion in this season that 200 and more have been chased. On the previous Titans, and combined, if we were to talk both, and then the finishing touches from Atharva Kale, 53 not out of just 20 balls with 6 sixes, and that is why the Eagle Nashik Titans won this match.